हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सत श्री अकाल। होप तुसी सारे ठीक होवोगे। हाँ जी, असी नवी गड्डी खरीद ली है जिहदे अगे मैं इस टाइम ते खड़ी हाँ। पॉसिबली तुहानू पता लग जाना चाहिए हुण तक असी किहड़ी गड्डी खरीदी है फ्रॉम माय लास्ट वीडियोज़। इफ यू हैवंट सीन माय लास्ट वीडियोज़ ऑफ टेस्ट ड्राइविंग the BMW 3 Series, BMW X3, Audi A5 and Lexus. So finally I'm standing ahead of my new beast, which is the newest Lexus IS 300. I'm going to do a proper review of the car today. This is almost like 2 to 3 months old car in Canada, the newest beast in the town. ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਰਿਵਿਊ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। ਸੜਕਾਂ ਤੇ ਅਜੇ ਤੱਕ it is not there. It is a total head turner. So I am going to review this beast now. ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਸੀ Toyota Camry top of the line, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਨਵੀਂ ਖਰੀਦੀ ਸੀ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਲਿੰਕ ਮੇਰਾ ਦੇਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦੀ ਡਿਸਕ੍ਰਿਪਸ਼ਨ 'ਚ। ਤੇ now I am going to do a proper review of Lexus IS 300. This is our second car after we came to Canada. ਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। Let's begin the review of the newest kid on the vlog. And ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਇਸ ਕਾਰ ਨੂੰ ਕੰਸੀਡਰ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ, and it's really going to help you after I start reviewing this car. If you're looking forward to buying a car, then definitely ਇਹਨੂੰ consider ਕਰਨਾ ਨਾ ਭੁੱਲਣਾ। So this is the newest IS 300. 3.5 liter engine capacity, which is a huge capacity for a car like this to have. 261 is the horsepower, 0 to 100 in less than 6 seconds. अगर तुसी गड्डी नू भजाना है, गड्डी दा पिकअप देखना है, that this car is a total winner when we compare it to the other segment cars. तुसी उन्हां सारियां दा भी रिव्यू देख सकते हो मेरे previous videos च। As I said, link is in the description. That's the major reason for us to pick up this car is because my husband wanted something which is peppier, which is for like young people when you are in the mood of revving it, and this is the one which we opted for. And also the kind of engine specifications this car is getting in the price bracket that we have bought it in, I feel that other are total failures when it comes to the drive factor. Now we are going to talk about the front of the car. First of all, I will tell you कि ਗੱਡੀ 'ਚ ਚੇਂਜ ਆਇਆ ਹੈ ਪਿਛਲੀ ਲੈਕਸਸ ਤੋਂ, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਪਿਛਲੇ ਸਾਲ ਦੀ ਲੈਕਸਸ ਸੀ। ਅਗਰ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਾਂ, this is not a new generation Lexus IS 300. This is just a facelifted version, but facelifted version 'ਚ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਇੰਨੇ ਸਾਰੇ changes ਕਰਤੇ हैं exteriors ਤੇ कि it actually looks like a new generation car. So I am going to begin with the grill of the car. First of all, you can see ਪਿਛਲੀ ਗੱਡੀ ਦੀ ਮੈਂ ਪਿਕਚਰ ਇੱਥੇ ਪਾਵਾਂਗੀ IS 300 ਦੀ। The grill of the car has become much more pronounced. ਜਿਹੜੀ ਇਹਦੀ daytime running lights ਸੀ, ਪਹਿਲਾਂ they were like on the outside, which I really did not like, but now they have integrated that in the entire headlamp. So the car has become much more edgier from the side. The look is really pronounced of the bonnet. If you see, the bonnet is really pronounced. It has become very edgy. There are two cuts that are going in the car, making it more aerodynamic. And also if you see the finish of the grille, it has become wider, bigger and more sharper, I would say. Going on to the side of the car, if you see again the car, I'll be using 3 words very often. One is aggressive, one is sharper and one is edgy. This is what this car is made of, and commendable changes for this segment car to have. So if we come to the side of the car, beautiful rims. The color of the rims have gone really sharp and bright. If you see, not dull anymore like the previous Lexus. It's a 19-inch alloy wheels that you can see here. I really like the multi-spokes wheels that you see here. One thing I really like about the side of the car is the way it slides. जिस तरीके गड्डी दे जड़े sides हैं, the curves that you see really makes this car look sporty. जब तुसी गड्डी नू जाते देखोगे, it is actually a head turner. मेरे इत्थे खड़े वीडियो बनाते everybody who is parking the car नू देख के जा रहा है, compliment करके जा रहा है, because getting something like this, Lexus is like the luxury version of Toyota, but they have stepped up their game with this very car. Now if I talk about the side mirrors, if you see, the side mirrors have also been now integrated with the chrome finish and the black finish, which gives the car very beautiful look, very aerodynamically done. Not every car is going to have the cut and finish finish like this to their side mirrors, which also gives an extra edge to the car. Coming on the side of the car, I will also tell you one important thing. ਜਿਹੜੇ ਇਹਦੇ ਟਾਇਰ ਹੈਗੇ ਦੋਨੋਂ ਅੱਗੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ 19 ਇੰਚ ਹੀ ਹੈਗੇ, ਬਟ ਕਾਰ ਦੀ ਗ੍ਰਿਪ ਵਧੀਆ ਹੋਏ ਰੋਡ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ, ਬਿਕੋਜ਼ ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਲਾਈਕ ਅ ਪਰਫਾਰਮੈਂਸ ਵਹੀਕਲ ਜੋ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਕ੍ਰੀਏਟ ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ। ਤਾਂ ਅੱਗੇ ਵਾਲੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਅਲੋਇਸ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵੀਲਸ ਹੈ ਉਹ 19 ਇੰਚ ਹੀ ਹੈ, ਬਟ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਚੌੜਾਈ ਹੈ ਦੈਟ ਇਜ਼ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਵਿਡਥ ਹੈ ਅੱਗੇ ਵਾਲਿਆਂ ਦੀ 235 ਹੈ ਤੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਵਾਲੇ ਦੀ 265 ਹੈ। ਤੇ ਇਹਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਚੌੜਾਈ ਹੈ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਰਿਮ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਟਾਇਰ ਦੀ ਦੈਟ ਇਜ਼ ਬਿਊਟੀਫੁਲ। ਗੱਡੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਹੈ ਜਦੋਂ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ, ਮੋਟੇ ਮੋਟੇ ਟਾਇਰ, ਇਟ ਗਿਵਸ ਯੂ ਅ ਵੈਰੀ ਵੈਰੀ ਗੁੱਡ ਫੀਲ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਐਕਚੁਅਲ 'ਚ ਲਗਜ਼ਰੀ ਗੱਡੀ 'ਚ ਚਲਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ। ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਦੇ ਰੇਅਰ ਤੇ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਰੇਅਰ ਇਜ਼ ਟੂ ਡਾਈ ਫॉर, ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਲਿਟਰਲੀ ਟੂ ਡਾਈ ਫॉर, giving it a finish of a sports car. Having a spoiler in the rear is something really rare for a sedan. Yes, if you are a Porsche fan, you are definitely going to understand what I'm talking about. The car now has this entire light running from the end to the another end. Having a spoiler and having that light gives it a very different edge to it. Also, they have the kind of black finish that you see in the car is because of this very thing here, which is your F Sport model. So we have bought IS300 F Sport 2, you have IS300 Luxury, IS300 F Sport, then there is IS350, which is like a bomb version of this one too. If you're somebody who is looking forward to spending few extra bucks, few extra dollars and want to buy still this car, go in for an IS350, you will literally go crazy driving that car. These exhaust pipes, they are not just exhaust pipe, guys. These sound like a beast. Trust me when I'm saying this. Having this car and the sound that it makes, if you are an enthusiast of the car, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਮਝੋਗੇ ਮੈਂ ਕੀ ਕਹਿ ਰਹੀ ਹਾਂ। ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਕਾਰ rev ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ, these exhaust pipes here sound really nasty and aggressive. So yes, the finish of the rear headlights is also very sporty. They have made it more like a performer car, like a sporty car. So if you can see, everything in this car is really black finish and chrome finish. The side skirting of the car is really nice, and the entire car has this black side skirts, which makes it more closer gives a feel of more closer to the road, and the aerodynamics of the car are performed much better. So we have done the review of the car from the outside. A big thumbs up from my side for how this car looks. Now I'm going to take you to the inside of the car. Sitting inside the car, as you can see, same as Camry, this has red interior with black finish, leather interiors, leather seat covers. It's not a leatherite, but the seats are leather. I really like the fact that this car even has the stitching going on the leatherite of the car. So if you have seen my previous video of Audi, I have really criticized Audi for the interior finish that it has. It looks really not plush when it comes to being a luxury segment. I think Audi ਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਆਪਣੀ ਗੇਮ ਨੂੰ ਅੱਛਾ ਕਰਨ with the interiors. Rumor of my face, I will show the actual interior of the car to you. So coming to the infotainment system, the infotainment screen has now become bigger than the previous previous IS300. This is quite a big screen and it is a touch screen, having a lot of features to toggle around. It has inbuilt navigation, which is something that we figured out now, and then you have everything can be managed from here, your location. You can even give a voice over to the car and the car is going to search for the location for you. You can change your settings of your AC, as you can see. You can also toggle around with your music, and so it's a very nice touch screen, as you can see it through my way of touching it. It's very responsive. Now coming down to the AC controls, you have automatic AC controls, which is pretty much normal for any luxury cars to have. I really like this little thing here that they have created, not a digital watch here, but giving it like a, you know what, this is majorly in cars which are more sportier, like something, if I talk about Porsche charges really high money for bringing this watch here, right? So Lexus has actually taken something from there and brought this in, which I really like. Coming down to the lower part of the console of the car, beautiful console, I would say. It's a very big console. Our Toyota Camry also had something similar like that. The best part about this is additional feature over Toyota ਇਹਦੇ ਚ ਹੈਗਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ only front seats heated, which is normally in every car. It also has ventilation in your seats. That is in summertime the seats also get ventilated. That is the cooling of the seats also happen, which can be, you see this, I really like this new feature here, that you can just slide your hand up and down with finger. You can increase the temperature or decrease the temperature of your car. Coming down to the, I wonder why have they put the CD player here, because आजकल ਆਪਾਂ ਹੁਣ CD use nahi karde. Coming down to the lower part of the console now, you see this little button here. Can I bring the camera a little closer for you? This little button here means it has got your heated steering wheel, which is something none of the cars had. In BMW, if it was there, they were charging extra bucks for it. Audi did not have it. This car has it, and I really like this. As I told you, the car has front heated seats along with the cooling down of the seats. So again, additional feature which was missing in the other vehicles. Regular gear, nothing much special in that, but I really like the small detailing that they have done here. Talking about the modes, the car has 3 modes: eco, your normal, and your sport. Trust me, when it goes in sport, it becomes a beast. If you have the IS350, it's going to have Sports Plus as well, so your car is going to become next level of beast. This is something which our Toyota Camry on top of the line had missing, which is your snow button. That is in the times when it is snowing, the dynamics of the car totally changes. The steering wheel becomes more harder, and the entire dynamics shift from a regular car to be comfortable in driving during the snow. Coming down to this trackpad, this is something which is new in the Lexus IS 300 2021. This was not there in the previous IS. So this is basically your, again, a touchpad. I can toggle around with this touchpad, and you can see on the screen that this red little button, I can use all the functions of the infotainment from this little touchpad here. I find this touchpad to be really responsive. I have showed you the interior and the exterior in detail. अगर मैं कुछ भूल गई होवां तो कमेंट सेक्शन च मैनू पूछना ना भूलना, क्योंकि असी डिटेल च बहुत गड्डियां नू टेस्ट ड्राइव कीता है ते प्रॉपरली हर फीचर नू कंपेयर कीता है. तुहाडे कोल अगर कोई क्वेश्चन है BMW बारे, Lexus बारे, Audi बारे या किसी होर ब्रांड बारे भी तुहानू कोई कन्फ्यूजन है, तुसी मैनू पूछ सकदे हो. अगर तुसी अगे वीडियो होर देखना चाहते हो इन अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि असी इस गड्डी दा किन्ना पे कीता है, किन्ने च आई है, सानू किन्ने दी पई है, I would not mind to share that details with you as well. They again, a last few words about this car. It sounds bomb, it sounds really well, it drives much better than the BMW and the Audi A5. I can say that for sure because it's a bigger engine with V6. All other cars have inline 4. That's the reason the performance of this car is beautiful. The voice, the sound of the exhaust is amazing, and the look of the car, you can see it's like a beast. Edgy, sporty, bigger, everything that you can look for a luxury segment cars, guys. So thank you so much for watching this video. अगर तुहानू मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा होए तो लाइक ना करना भूलना ते मेरे चैनल नू प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करो ताकि असी इस फैमिली नू होर वड्डा करिए and I can make more interesting videos for you. Thank you so much.